Hi guys. Okay, so it's time to do the draw for my super duper sneaky music paper giveaway. So if you don't know what this is about, at the end of my reverse garbage haul video, I put in a little sneaky comment and I said, if you've made it this far, thank you for watching, and I was going to have a music paper giveaway, and it'll be a music paper pack with some extra little goodies, and I won't show it because I'd like it to be a surprise. Some extra little goodies out of my reverse garbage haul, and maybe a few other little odds and pods thrown in. Anyway, and all you had to do was leave a comment on my very first YouTube video, which was my teeny tiny junk journal share video, and you had to answer a question, and that was what are two of the things that Paul likes. And if you answered, well, everyone answered correctly. There were 25 people that took part. So the answer was two of either chocolate pizza, what else did he like? Airships and ships, I think was it. Anyway, okay, so the people that were in it, what I've done, as people commented on that video, I wrote them down in the order that they came in. And I've given you all a number, and we're just going to play bingo, and I'm going to draw your number out of a little hat. Okay, so number 1 was Heavenly Imagining. So Amanda Christina. 2 is Gypsy Girl Crafts. That's Pamela. 3 in the She Cave, Tony. 4 was Mary Monahan. 5 Beth Scott. 6 Carolyn Groan. Is it Grohn? 7 Tracy Hall. 8 Wendy Mason. 9 Mixed Media Craft Time. That's Sue. Number 10 Tonya Kostick. 11 Susan White. 12 Miffy Hingston. That's such a cute name, Miffy. I had a bunny rabbit called Miffy. 13 was Susan Johnston. 14 Jackie McLeod. 15 Rose Barkler. 16 Tink's Life of Crafting, and I think that's Sonia. 17 is Carleen Cadman. 18 is Bonny Neville's. 19 Karina Dehan, is it? H-A-A-N. 20 Amanda Scott Burton. 21 Susan Freeman. 22 Geo Nunn. 23 was Marsha from ZC Creations. 24 Marilyn Ziesmer. It's Z-I-E-S-M-E-R. And 25 was Uni Desiree. Okay, so, well, JD watched that video a week or so ago, but she did leave a comment in the original video, so I've entered her anyway because I know she watched to the end. Anyway, she probably didn't want to be in it because, you know, she's a bit like me. She always like does whatever you have to do, then says, oh, don't worry about entering me. But sorry, JD, I'm putting you in. Okay, so all of your numbers are in here, and they're going into this empty tissue box. Oh, for the record, there's a 6 and a 9. The 6 is the one with the dot down the bottom, just so there's no confusion if I draw one of those. And if your number is picked out, you have to like jump in the air and say bingo. Okay, so, so I can't use that wrist. I've still got a sore wrist. It's still in a brace. I just take it off for my videos. Okay, so let's go. Here we go. And the winner is number 11. Bingo. And number 11 was Susan White. Oh, Sue. She likes to be called Sue, not Susan. Oh, Sue, I'm so glad you won. I just sent you a package last week. Well, Sue, thank you very much for watching till the end and taking part in my little secret sneaky giveaway. And if you think that giveaway was a bit sneaky and naughty, blame Wendy Mason. Wendy, I learned that trick from the end of one of your videos, but it was so much fun. I felt so naughty. It was so much fun, and I'm totally going to do some more of those sort of things anyway. So, Sue, thank you. Your number 11 has been called out, and I will pop your little music paper pack together with some other secret little goodies in the mail to you on Monday. And I've got your address. Okay, well, thanks for playing and thanks for watching. Bye.